Mr. Azlan, the landlord here. It's Wednesday, 2nd of November 2022, and the time is 15:48, 12 minutes to it's in the afternoon, and I've just made a green juice of cucumber, Granny Smith apples, some culantro, some some parsley, and I think some coriander as well. And some Thai basil, and a lemon, and limau kapas. So I'm gonna try it now. I made about 1.5 liters. I'm giving it the taste test. I really like it. It's sweet because actually I put half a piece of yacon in it as well.
That's not a taste test. That's just you drinking it all.
Oh, I've also got 2 navel oranges in it. It's really good. I think my cameraman should have a go.
Let me try some. It deserves a chef's kiss.
That's why I couldn't just taste it. I had to finish the whole glass.
It's really good. It's really refreshing. It has that sourness to it, but also some sweetness to it as well.
And it's got that herby overtones from the sweet basil and culantro, right? It's well balanced, right?
Really good.
Yeah.
Try it.